Okay, let's talk about other small tools that are here from the beginning. It's a max UV. It just maximize the UVs that you selected to the whole scene, just one UV. Fit UV to the canvas. It's trying to fit UV to the canvas, or if you select one of them, you can feed them to the canvas, or vice versa. You can feed the canvas to the UV. Mirror U, for example, you can mirror it in a U, mirror UV, or mirroring UV. For better seeing that, you can activate UV to better see. Mirroring U, you can see the texture rotate, flipping, and mirroring in a V. That's very simple. And we're coming here. Boundary to circle is trying to make the boundary of this UV to circle, something like this, and fit to the canvas, or boundary to the quad. It's rotate, it's change the boundary of, for example, this UV and fit to the canvas and make it a quad or make it a circle. Control Z. You can reset this specific UV, for example, reset it and snap it to its position, and you have to reopen it, re-UV it again. Or you can deselect everything and just reset UV, and you are good to go to make again UV, or unwrap it, or set from projection. So this is a reset. You can rotate UV clock counterclockwise or clockwise. For example, it does not rotating UV, it's rotate individual UV. You can better see that here. For example, in this mode, opening the texture, come here, you can see rotated clockwise. You can see it's rotating the UVs coordination individually, and you can see, or counterclockwise or clockwise. Nice. Or you can completely flip UV, flipped sequence. It's better to see that. I will be show you the move tools, and you can select the flipped. You can select, field. Where was that? Field polygons. It's trying to show you a gray color. It means the normal is okay. But for example, if you select this and flip sequence, you can see it turn to purple. And it means something is wrong. The normals are not corrected. You have to select, double click. You can see it, everything is flipped. And it's not good. Control Z. Nice. For example, in this, flip and flip again. Or you can reset it. Or in this case, if it does not work, you can select something that and flip sequence again and make it correct. So you can see these are not correct. So the flipped UVs or sequence, it's good when your UV normal are incorrect, and you can flip it. You can see it to change the color. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.